Assalamu alaikum, my name is Yeshim Ganesh and I am proud to announce that for the third year in a row, Unity Grammar has been awarded a 5-star Employer of Choice. This award is a reflection of what our staff means to us and how much we value them.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. We are delighted to have you at Unity Grammar, a place where we're nurturing the pioneers of the future, inspired by our Islamic faith, driven to achieve for the betterment of humanity. I think about what can we do to ensure that the moments you have in the school, the experiences you have with your learners, your colleagues are delightful, memorable, and cherished even beyond your years in the school. As the chief executive of this school, my responsibility is to oversee the strategy and the roadmap for the school's improvement in order to achieve our vision, which is to nurture the pioneers of the future, strengthened by our Islamic faith, and driven to achieve for the betterment of humanity.
At Unity Grammar, we value Islam. We value Islam as our way of life. We value Islamic practice in all of our affairs at Unity. Alhamdulillah.
One thing that we pride ourselves on is our staff well-being, because we want our staff to come to work and enjoy coming to work.
I think when you first step foot into Unity Grammar, there's an immediate sense of real respect, value and appreciation.
The sense of community, the welcoming vibe that I immediately received when I came here.
We have a very positive culture at Unity Grammar, a brotherhood, sisterhood culture.
What I love about Unity Grammar is the sense of belonging.
I can't see myself teaching anywhere else.
And I can truly say that this school has made me feel like a family.
We have a really strong focus on supporting our staff achieve their goals, their career growth, and essentially where they want to be now and within 5 years.
We have AIS that assist us with the accreditation of teachers at Proficient Teacher Accreditation. We also have HALT accreditation for those teachers that are far more experienced as well. Whatever the case is, we want to see you grow.
The way our staff is recognised throughout the year, we have special PD days, which they call Delightful Days. We have Educator of the Month. We also always awarded throughout the year.
So there's always a program or an initiative where we value learners as well as staff members.
Wherever you want to go to, the school will definitely have some sort of avenue. You'll have the support from your leaders, you'll have the support from the executive staff as well. The people make the organisation.
As the Deputy Principal of the Junior School, I oversee staff and student wellbeing. So if you ever need any help, please come and see me.
Focus on building strong connections with your students and colleagues. And remember, we're all here to grow together.
Personally, I've always had a passion in careers, and Unity Grammar has allowed me to find my spot over here and allow me to grow into the career that I am in now.
As part of the community experience team, what can you come to our team for? Well, if you're looking to do an event or you've got a great idea, come and see us.
This award means a lot to us and it really focuses on our values.
For us to achieve the award of Employer of the Choice, I think we need to give gratitude first to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but also give gratitude to everybody that's involved, all the stakeholders. So a huge thank you to the staff, to the parents, to our students and the entire community, because without their support, we wouldn't be where we are today. We wouldn't be achieving this award, but it's not about achieving this award. This award is just a testament to what the school really stands for and the values that we uphold at Unity Grammar.
Thank you to all of our staff for making this recognition possible. We are extremely proud to be recognised as the 5-star Employer of Choice. Join us in celebrating this achievement.